Hey, electrical contractors, I want to introduce you to BidPak and our real-time digital price book with smart symbols that will save you time, money, and energy on every project. Here's what blew my mind. BidPak was built by an electrician and is easy to use, so you'll be up and running on day one. Complete entire project designs from your phone, tablet, or computer, anywhere, anytime. We've created a massive library with over 10,000 components and 1,300 pre-built assemblies. Our smart symbols work like actual magic. Just drag and drop them onto any picture or drawing. Each symbol includes all materials, labor, overhead, and profit margins you need. Here's my favorite part. Say goodbye to daily supply house runs. BidPak generates a complete bill of materials for every project that you can send directly to your distributor with a single click. Whether you use our visual designer or take off, BidPak automatically generates a proposal that's ready to send to your customers in minutes with electronic approval. Also, meet Hey BidPak, your AI assistant for all BidPak questions and more. You get instant digital access to answers from the 2023 NEC Codebook, a unique advantage other software doesn't offer. Streamline projects and stay organized with customizable work packages and smart symbols grouped by location, phase, or type. Manage your entire workflow from leads and design to POs and invoicing. Centralize all project documents, drawings, and permits to eliminate paperwork chaos. Ready to transform your business? Check out our website at bidpak.com. Sign up for a free trial or schedule a demo today and see how BidPak can help you with your business.